You are watching Kabinet, and in this video I will show you how to make mottled camo with the sponge. So let's get started. First you need some tape, some soft rubber foam and a pair of scissors. Cut a strip of foam slightly wider than the tape. Now roll the foam into a tube. The tighter the better. Now secure the roll of foam with some tape. Now cut the ends to size, about 4 mm diameter. Now test the sponge with some paint on some paper. Try to figure out the paint consistency which works best for you. Once you're satisfied with the effect, you can take on the actual model. Make a careful dappling motion as you increase the intensity of the mottle pattern.
One sponge later.
The effect is much rougher than an airbrush, but you can soften it a bit more in the next step. First, touch up some missed spots, such as recessed panel lines. And while you're at it, you may also want to intensify the centers of the blotches. For the next step I will use some glaze medium from 𝐦𝐞𝐜𝐨𝐧𝐝. Here I mix the medium with some paint to be able to make a clear, transparent film. With this semi-transparent paint, I soften up the edges of the spatter of the blotches. As mentioned before, the effect is not as subtle as a real airbrush. But from a distance, the effect can be quite convincing. And finally, here are some shots of the finished model. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your time, and until the next video.